Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles and today we're visiting with Kylie Trail. She's with the Kentucky Beef Council as Director of Brand Management there. Good morning, Kylie.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Well, I'm glad you're here because May is Beef Month and it's definitely a month that we celebrate here in Kentucky.
For sure. We have 38,000 beef producers here, so it's a big month to celebrate. We are the biggest cattle state east of the Mississippi, so there's a lot to celebrate this month.
Absolutely. And the weather is getting warmer, so people are getting outside, and summer's a big time for beef.
For sure, for sure. So summer grilling, I mean, steaks, burgers, everything you name it. It's a great time to grab steaks and burgers and things like that.
Yeah, so not only for the beef producers, because you mentioned the number that we have of those. We have several right here in Warren County that work very hard to produce a great product and a great eating experience for everybody. But if people may have questions for the consumer, they might not think of the Kentucky Beef Council as a spot that they can go find information. They might think that's only for producers, but you guys do a lot of consumer education as well.
Yes, we are very consumer oriented. A lot of our socials, we're focused on getting that positive beef message out, taking our farm families and really highlighting them. And actually, that's what this Beef Month is all about. Our theme is hashtag KY Beef Story. And, not only the producer, but also every stop along the supply chain from pasture to plate is important in our beef story. From the butchers to the veterinarians to the guy at the meat shop to the chefs and somebody that works at Dairy Queen down the road. They're all a part of our beef story and getting that great protein into the hands of consumers.
Absolutely. And even the consumer, if the consumer goes and they have a great steak or a great burger, hashtag let's hear about it. We love to hear, that you've had a great eating experience. Sure. And so I know every time you have some featured recipes, every beef month, as well as possibly a giveaway.
Yeah, so we have a great grill giveaway going on. It's on our website and socials. We're promoting it there. It's through the 23rd. Okay. So we're going to get that. Our plan is to get that grill to that person so that they can fire it up on Memorial Day weekend.
Awesome. Okay, so how do people enter?
Yeah, so you can go to kybeef.com to the Beef Month tab and click on that link. It's going to take you to Lex 18's page. That is how we're keeping it secure this year. And then you just have to put your name and email in, and it's as simple as that.
Awesome. And they can win a grill.
Yeah, a grill and a prize pack full of all things you need to cook beef, plus a $50 Kroger gift card to buy beef. So that's
all the beef swag, a grill. Yes. I mean, that's a pretty nice giveaway to celebrate Beef Month.
Yes.
Now, that's for the consumer beef producer, but you guys also have another event coming up that's specific for the beef producer.
Yes, so we have a beef advocacy summit coming up here on the 19th. And then a youth beef advocacy summit coming up on the 21st there in Lexington, Kentucky. It'll be at the Yards Classroom at Bluegrass Stockyards. We have got Chandler Mulvaney from NCBA as well as Kaya Twisselman-Burchett, who used to work for the Beef Council.
We've done several of these shows with her.
Yes, and she has found big fame in the influencer realm. And so they're going to come and talk to us about how to get our beef story out there to consumers in an effective way, as well as media interviews and how to talk about hard topics on beef. Sometimes we get those consumer questions that, you don't really know how to navigate. It's not a bad thing at your farm that you give that sick calf antibiotics, but you don't really know how to portray that to the consumer. So we want to teach you those things. If you guys just go to kybeef.com, we've got a link to a Google form where you can put your name and all your information in, and that's how you RSVP. It'll be from 9 to 2 with free lunch and free swag. So if you needed more incentive, there you go.
Absolutely. And I think it's really cool that you're doing a youth program because that is the next generation. And a lot of times they haven't encountered some of these topics, but it's important for them to know. Well, I appreciate everything that you guys are doing. And if you have questions about the giveaway, recipes, or the advocacy programs, make sure to contact them at the Kentucky Beef Council. We appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show and hope you have a great day.